Good morning, I'm John from S-Line Travel, and this morning we're going to do a walk round check on this Mercedes Turismo coach. So, we start this the check by just checking everything on the coach, checking the mirrors, making sure they're not loose, checking the screen for any damage. Then we check the wipers, make sure there's no splits along the wiper blades. Then we check the lights, fog lights, headlights, side lights, indicators. No crack in the registration plate or loose. Moving around, starting at the top, working his way down, making sure there's no damage, nothing that's loose. Check the fuel cap secure and the AdBlue cap secure. Checking the indicator, tyre for tread, no bulges in the tyre. Top again, windows, working down to the locker, checking the locker lights. The lockers are manoeuvrable. Again, top light. Then we go to check the emergency door. Just give it a pull open. So we know that the emergency door on the outside handle is working perfectly. Then again, back to the top, checking the glass, the body, tyres. Obviously at the back there's 2 tyres to try and check. So we're looking for any cuts or bulges in the tyre. Glass again, body. All lights working. Moving around to the rear. Yeah, again, checking for the glass. Cameras in place, destination blinds working. Lights are working. Registration plates not cracked or broken. You're going to check the marker light again. And to the near side, yeah, again, checking from the top to the bottom, making sure all lights are working, no panel damage, no glass broken. Tyres. Checking the passenger lockers again. Front tyre again, checking just for any bulges, cuts, any loose wheel nuts. Then we shut the front door to just do an emergency door check on the front door. Also check the front fuel cap, making that secured. Now just to check the front door, we'll open it in an emergency if it's ever needed. And that's completed the outside of the vehicle. Now we start with the inside of the vehicle. Just shut the door first. So now checking that the fans are coming through, all lights are working. Checking the seat belts, seat backs, make sure there's no rips or tears. Tables are secure. Make sure the emergency hammer's secure. Call button works as well. Check the emergency door again. And that's working fine. Check the toilet. Yep. The door. Close it up. And moving on to the dash. Just checking everything around the dash, making sure it's all working. So check the screen wash. The horn. And then as all this is now complete, we now fill in our defect book to say that this vehicle has now been completed and is roadworthy for the day ahead. And that's it, we're now ready to go and pick up our passengers for our first journey of the day.